Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Thailand Elite Visa Program, Overstay, and possibly ineligibility for getting a Thailand Elite Visa. In a recent announcement on thailandelite.com, so it's sort of a press release from Thailand Elite itself, quoting directly, "This is to inform you that our Thailand Elite members whose visa expired during the exempted period and who failed to apply for a stay extension at the immigration office within a specified time limit will be subjected to at least 1 year ban." So the reason for this video, it's a little broader than just what we're talking about here. They're specifically discussing, yes, there was an amnesty in 2020. Folks that got stuck in Thailand were sort of grandfathered into visas, or at least grandfathered out of being in overstay status, if you will, while the situation progressed, and basically the immigration office, they just gave an amnesty to certain folks. But that amnesty ended, and failure to get into status before the amnesty ended resulted in folks falling into overstay status. Thailand Elite, I think that this is kind of a common misconception. Thailand Elite, it's not sort of a cure-all for all visa issues. It's a very good visa. It's not currently work authorized, so there's that. It's not for the full 5 years. Generally speaking, you have to take affirmative steps, either by leaving the country or by extending status in 1 year intervals to maintain status in Thailand, notwithstanding the fact the sticker validity may be, for example, 5 years at a stretch. But the other thing to understand is overstay has a dramatic impact on one's ability to either maintain elite status. If you fall out of status in elite status and you don't maintain it, it could result in being banned from returning to Thailand, even if the visa is valid. They just may not let you return based on the overstay fines and penalties. The other thing associated with Thailand Elite and overstay is if you've overstayed before you even apply for one, depending on your circumstances, you might be ineligible to even apply. So for those who are unaware or they're sort of uncertain as to how best to proceed, and Thailand Elite can be a rather expensive proposition, may not be a terrible idea to go ahead and contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance as to one's eligibility before making any further and possibly irrevocable steps.